What's going on, guys? It's Suk and I am back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. Now in today's video I shall be unboxing the brand new 2020 13-inch MacBook Pro. Also, we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers, and if you are new around here and are yet to do so, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be notified of when I upload any of my future videos. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, let's get into talking about the pricing and availability of this model. Now the model that I have here is the upper base model, which has 512GB of storage, though you can purchase this model with 256GB of storage should you need less storage. And if you are interested in that particular model, you'll find that one setting you back around £1,300, $1,300, or if you are anywhere in Europe, that will set you back around €1,500. Also, if you are interested, I will have a video out very soon in which I compare the 8th generation processor on this 13-inch MacBook Pro to the 10th generation one in the upper tier model. But enough about that. Removing the outer packaging, we are able to remove the lid of this box and get our first look at this MacBook Pro. After placing the MacBook Pro to a side, we get our first look at what other items come included. Now the first of these is your Designed by Apple in California documentation envelope. Within this you will find a quick start guide which gives you a general overview on the buttons and how to set up the MacBook. There is also details on your 1-year limited Apple warranty, and this is then followed up by some health and safety notices along with 2 color matched Apple stickers. The next items included make up the 61W USB-C power adapter, which can charge up this MacBook Pro from a flat 0% all the way up to 100% in just under 2 hours. It's made up of 2 parts which are designed to make it easier when travelling, as you can plug directly into the wall socket as opposed to using a travel adapter. The last item to be included with this MacBook Pro is your USB-C cable. Now this cable has an approximate length of around 2 meters and can be used to both transfer data along with charging up the MacBook Pro. So that has been it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Of course, I will be uploading videos over the coming days in which I'll be running a number of benchmark tests on this MacBook Pro, along with, of course, gaming on it. If you would also like to see this MacBook Pro compared to the other ones in the lineup, of course with the maximum spec 13-inch MacBook Pro, then be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of when that video goes live. If you've got any questions with anything you've seen in this video, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section, or alternatively you can hit me up on my social media, links to which of course can be found down below in the description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.